In front of me is LENOVO Tab One, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Live Wallpaper from Mad Scientist. Not sponsored, by the way. When your app is ready, launch it, and quick tip: to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then wait for consent pop-up and click consent in it. To finally use this gear at the top left corner and manage all of those options however you want to, which is honestly my favorite part. You can adjust this one thanks to all of those options here, or tap one of those presets and then adjust them as well. Wherever you decided, you will be always able to change it later on. You can check out preview on the right, and when you're satisfied, use those three lines at the bottom right corner. Hit set as live wallpaper, set yes, tap on got it, and tap on set wallpaper here. Now decide where you wanna apply it by clicking on home screen or home screen and lock screen. So when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!